The installation that's put up in the entrance is made of 300 use and throw water bottles. It's all single use water bottles that we use every day, and water bottle consumption is one of the most common single use plastic that happens in the cities. So we collected 300 water bottles and made a old school pixel art with like a smiley face. It's one way of putting something into use and bring some aesthetics in it. So I think this year's theme is a much needed topic that has brought in to help us to showcase our skill set in this way. Different artists, first of all, it's good to see so much energy is in the same space, and that's again split into two. This is fine art and then there is this installation. It's a fantastic experience seeing many artists work together in one place, and especially the fine art and then the installation. It's got quite a good variety of work, and I've been meeting many artists over here and with different backgrounds and with different approaches, and it's a very good experience. And also I think the city needs more projects like this, and VR Chennai is doing a fantastic job putting together.